How to use OddsJam for PrizePicks. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply search for OddsJam on Google and this is how it will appear. Now you need to open up this section called positive EV betting. Just open it up and this is how it will appear. Now you can sign up for a free trial and it is for 7 days, so it will be helpful for you. Now when you sign up, you will be able to pick up the players on PrizePicks using mathematics, because on OddsJam all the calculations are done by the experts, and using that particular calculation you will be able to select some good picks and increase your chances of winning. And for explained knowledge of OddsJam, you could contact the support and also contact the people associated with OddsJam and book one-to-one call with them, and they would be happy to connect with you and help you out through this process of OddsJam. And this is how you would be able to use OddsJam. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.